Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add color half a page in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to add color to half pages. Enable the master pages and double click on the master page. Then select the text frame tool and draw the tool half of page. Then select the text frame option and select the frame fill, and you can apply any color. Now I select this color and select the stroke and make none. Then close the window and disable the master pages and go back the main page. Then we can see we add color to half of a page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.